2017 Honda Pilot EX. Deep blue metallic paint, aluminum alloy wheels with new necks and tires, tinted windows, all-wheel drive, all-weather cargo mat, it's cargo screen cover. Nice light gray interior. Honda all-weather floor liners throughout, wood grain trim, power windows, locks and mirrors, power driver seat adjustments, lane departure warning, plenty of audio inputs and power outlets, large touchscreen, backup camera, free 90-day trial, Sirius XM satellite radio, hands-free Bluetooth, lane keep assist, smart cruise, auto headlights, just under 88,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come by and see us at U-Cars.